as always. All right, so we got the top done. So 6 switch panel goes here. Stock piece, which has a USB and the 3.5 millimeter line in that nobody has anymore. But that way they'll be able to tie into the truck. And then this is a cell phone pocket. I'm gonna stack build, roughly down to there, and just be slots. I'll route out the edges, and then almost the hardest thing of all is to put the stupid cup holder in there. And the cup holder, this is gonna be routed, and I'll bodywork where the cup holder sits. So I'll take this up and do a little body work, make it fancy, and then we put the top on. But I think what I'm going to do now is I'm going to shove it in the truck. Or actually, no, I'm going to build the holders first. Do a little stack build. It should be pretty easy. I'll just take this piece and cut it. Or, match it on the router. Match the outside. Cut it short, fit it, make sure it fits good. I'm gonna have to knock out this little piece I've got here, and then build her up. All right. Alright, here's what we got. So I built this thing all without a gun. I might have fucked up, as usual. So there's my gun. It's one of the longest ones we've got. My idea was not to dig a hole there in that black plastic and have the gun sit high. That way the bolt could stay closed, but the armrest would have to be narrowed, and the scope is getting touched. So what I have to do is recut this top plate. I think I'm going to cut this out from here to here and back it up a ½ inch, and same thing down here right at the gun line, and see if that gives me the space I want. I'll have to cut up the cup holder And I'll have to turn the cup holder and the phone holder. Pretty sure. So, I think that's what I'm going to do. Right now, I'm going to move the chair back, pull the gun out, slide the box back, pull that plastic piece off, and then try again. So this piece is going to have to be narrowed. The whole side's going to be cut out. And it almost runs into that board in there. The problems of making shit that doesn't really exist. I don't know. Alright, so I'll rip all this shit out of here, cut this up, and put a board behind it, screw it together, bring it back, try again. Alright, so here's the rebuild of the sides. Fucking fan. Alright, hands off. So, this is what it was. This is the inside piece now. Same thing for the passenger side. The gun will sit in this gap, and we'll see how much work I gotta get it to fit. And I gotta put the bottom board on and then start fitting the tops. So it'll be fun, as in a whole wasted day. I mean, not wasted, but wasted. you see how it works here? These are 1/4 inch spacing, 1/2 inch, 3/4, 1 1/4, back to 3/4, 1/2 inch, back to 1/4. This makes it around the top corner. This does the radius, which is a slight radius, and then this does the bottom corner. Now I've got to take this and cut it on the opposite side to get the that other radius, which was an inverted radius from these. So this is where it gets scary, because I can really screw it up. But let's see. That's why this piece of wood is the same size as that one, because I always expect to fuck it up. There you go.